Carrie Obedzinski, Senior Sales Manager for Times Microwave Systems and Micro-Coax Amphenol companies. And you're watching Real Times, our vlog for industry trends, new products, and everything coax. Today I have with me Phil Lenk, our applications engineer from Micro-Coax, and we're going to talk about a new product that's going to revolutionize the test and measurement industry. AccuPhase. Phil, welcome back. And I see you brought a sample of the new AccuPhase cable with you. What makes AccuPhase so special, besides the cool color?
Yeah, it is a fantastic teal color here,
Yeah.
which of course represents Micro-Coax branding there. But yeah, no, this is our new AccuPhase cable out of Micro-Coax, where we took our decades of cable know-how and knowledge and built what we think is a phenomenal test cable that combines aspects like durability, stability, bendability, all into a great package right here that's, the new test cable.
That's a lot of ilities.
Sure is.
Yeah. So who uses this and why would you use this cable over someone else's?
Right, so the main intended application for this is your VNA, your PNA test leads, where you're going to
Okay.
have that running to your device under test. And when you're doing those measurements, you're constantly moving and flexing these types of cables. And when you have your system all calibrated out, you want a cable that will give you a repeatability, stable measurement, under typical lab environments where it's really being manipulated and banged and dropped and kicked. And this is designed to withstand all that abuse.
So so any type of environment, lots of flexure. I see we have multiple sizes. Can it be used anywhere else, or is it very specific to test and measurement?
Well, like most microwave cables that Times produces or Micro-Coax produces, it has a variety of applications, and we have explored some other ones there, but its intended design is for lab use there, where within the industry, if you can make a test cable that does phase stability with bending, with flexure, then you have a very solid cable. And that's what we did with this, where we took our heritage with space flight cables, where we take our typical cable construction, where we came from a tubing manufacturer, which then made our UT semi-rigid cable line. So we take that metal knowledge of the conductors, our PTFE knowledge, and how that helps control the stability of the cable, and then elaborated on that by incorporating our Aerocon line, right? We have that metal-plated Kevlar fiber. We have that built into the cables, and all that know-how and industry knowledge allowed us to get to this cable that can do really amazing things. And what I have here is our 70 gigahertz version,
Okay.
which is the first thing we developed. And we're super proud of our team because they went from product conception to product in our hands, in a matter of months, which is a phenomenal to get a cable this well performing. And then the other one that we have right here is our 26.5 gigahertz. So you can see a little bit larger construction, but that's gets better loss due to the size of the cable. And then we're actively working on other frequencies to fill in the product line.
So these are great cables. How can a customer get their hands on them?
Yeah, so they will be stocked in distribution packages there and standard interfaces, standard lengths that are typically seen in the test world. Of course, if you have a special requirement, you can always come directly into Micro-Coax and we'll service the customer, see what kind of special needs they need. Maybe it's extra long because they have some kind of unique test setup. But we're happy to work with them and really just get this product out there because we're very proud of it. These cables, they're designed to withstand, not just a day in the lab, but months or years in the lab, where we've proven that these
The
are
durability
the
piece.
durability is we've done flex cycles, exceeding 200,000 cycles of flexing, and the performance is still holding. And the other aspect of that is too, sometimes they hit a table, they fall on the floor, they get stepped on, and inside of these is an integrated armoring layer which can withstand over 250 pounds per linear inch of cable. So they
Oh,
can
wow.
withstand the abuse that environments can throw them in the lab where they're being thrown around, or other applications that are quite harsh.
And again, if there's anything very specific, they can reach out to Micro-Coax and we can talk to someone like yourself that's an applications engineer.
Talking to
And
people.
yeah, I know that's your favorite thing to do is be out in the field and put these into action. So product is very
Stable, reliable, and durable.
all right. Thank you again for showing us the new AccuPhase product. Again, it'll be in distribution, and or you can reach out to us at realtimes@timesmicro.com. That's REEL. Thank you for watching. Please like and share. Until next time, stay real